Here's that block. Really sending that ball to Manila Bay.
Na overpower yung shove ni Roger Yap.
But Alaska complaining about that push by Roger on Sam Eman.
Which is after the play.
Well, after the play earlier. Wow.
Coach Tim Cone did not like that.
And Tim Cone talking with Chief Justice Art Herrera as we enter this 30-second timeout, brought to you by Handy Fix and First Aid Bahay Mo, Bonzol, and Sealzol. I tell you, really, period of adjustment. Most of the time, if things happen away from the basketball, if things happen that do not affect the play, the actual play, it will most likely be a let go.
Well, then you gotta be able to adjust.
Look, maybe in the referee's mind, nung tinulak ni Roger, Sam Eman is 6'7". what can Roger Yap possibly do to Sam Eman?
Saka yung tulak na yun, parang wala naman nangyari.
Okay, look at Roger Yap. He pushes Sam Eman. And Sam Eman says, oh, bakit?
Nakita mo nga yung kamay ni Roger Yap, nandun na sa may mukha niya. Pero hanggang dun sa chest lang ni Sam Eman eh.
Another block by Eman. Well, both things really clamping down. And a swipe by Baguio. Baguio on the move. In the open court. Yes, sir, off the glass.
Just a great shot by Cyrus Baguio. 7 points. Now, you can see the athleticism. Itong si Cyrus Baguio and the difference of when he moved to the Alaska Aces, the confidence. You can see now, hindi siya nagsa-second guess. He just goes for it.
Here's Salvador. Very ambitious attempt against Sam Eman. Meantime, Roger Yap. Yes, sir.
Wide open. Itong si Roger Yap. Nobody recovered for that three-point shot. Now 8 points for Yap.
I think Tim Cone is beginning to like this triple B combination. Baguio, Borboran, and Bonbon. What do you think?
They were playing great music with each other in the second quarter.
I think they're really giving the Aces a new look. Oh, nice effort by Eman. But the ball ends up with Peter Jun Simon, chased by Sonny Tos. And Simon scores against Tos.
And you just gotta see how quick itong si PJ Simon. And even if Sonny Tos was trying to get the block on him, still stuck with it and got the 2 points.
B-Mac Derby is telling Alaska, no, you're not going anywhere. You may have the height advantage, you may have the manpower advantage, but Peter Jun Simon, gritty, gutsy. Just a 4-point game. Back in a moment. Well, Peter Jun Simon personifying the grit of B-Mac Derby Ace. They're really sticking closely. Ayaw nila magpaiwan in this game. Good effort there by Sam Eman. Pero yung bola napunta kay Peter Jun Simon, and then he stepped on the gas. And even with Sonny Tos looming ahead, still scored on that layup. So it's a 4-point game in favor of Alaska, 72-68. Custodio, Baguio, Eman. Eman, drop pass, Tos. I mean, really, all Tos has to do is just go up for the layup. And pesky defense there by Meyerhofer, forcing a 3-second violation. Let's go to Magu Marjan.
Miko, during that last timeout, Coach Tim Cone was trying to calm the Aces down, telling them to relax and just execute their plays. But also, he emphasized the need to sprint down on defense as B-Meg keeps ramming down that ball all the way down the floor. Miko?
Well, yung 4-second rule nga na sinasabi ni Coach George Gallant put in effect by the Llamados. And we haven't heard from James Yap since, in the third quarter. Yap did not score, and now he has 12 points. What a way, or time to come para dito sa Derby Ace Llamados.
Well, you said it, partner. If you have Peter Jun Simon and if you have James Yap, and if they click, you can stay in games. As Baguio fires away, Tos with a rebound, and that's the problem. That's the biggest problem of B-Meg in this game.
Well, the rebounds, and now you have Devance and Sonny Tos, and Tos very active on the offensive glass. Nahihirapan talaga itong si John Dan Salvador.
Here's Jonas Villanueva. Meyerhofer.
That's a good shot. I mean, they moved the ball well. Wide open shot by Rico Meyerhofer. Though it wasn't what they wanted, they didn't get a shot.
Custodio. Aces move that ball around, and here's Borboran against Meyerhofer. Shot clock down to 5. Custodio will create. Nice pass, Sonny Toss. Oh, but he overshoots. One more try. He is. No basket. It's a shot clock violation against the Aces, and another tough defensive stand by BMEG Derby Ace.
Well, again, itong BMEG, you have James Yap now, you have PJ Simon. Importante naman pagdating sa depensa, hindi mo mapascore itong Alaska Aces. That time, they were very successful. But I have to mention that itong si Sonny Toss has 10 points and 16 rebounds. This goes to show you itong height advantage na meron itong Alaska Aces with Sonny Toss.
Here's Salvador. Just a 3-point game para sa Alaska as we're near the halfway mark of the fourth quarter. And Peter Jun Simon's shot goes in and out. That's 17 rebounds tonight for Sonny Toss.
12 defensive rebounds and 5 offensive rebounds para dito kay Sonny Toss.
Here's the Vance. Back outside, Tenorio. That's a 3, a big 3. Tenorio's picked his spots. Does not demand for shots, does not demand for the ball, but he just knows when to hit a big shot when Alaska needs it the most.
And they seem like easy shots because he's wide open.
Now James Yap leaving Borboran behind, a no-look layup. And Jondan Salvador fighting underneath, but he throws the ball away, but you cannot fault Jondan for that effort.
You gotta love the effort. Itong BMEG, you just keep it close. Again, 6 points, 6 minutes to go. Still anybody's ball game.
Substitution, Roger Williams for Peter Jun Simon.
And Peter Jun Simon seems a bit tuckered out at this point. Roger Yap takes his place. We'll see Simon back in this game. They'll need his offense when we hit crunch time. Now here's Baguio with the basketball against Roger Yap. A top defender on Cyrus Baguio. Here's Borboran. And good anticipation by Villanueva, but the Aces keep the ball. Shot clock down to 7. Shot clock down to 5. Baguio for a 2-pointer. Yes, sir!
Tough shot by Cyrus Baguio. 5-point swing para dito sa Alaska Aces, silencing the BMEG Derby Ace Llamados.
5:45 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Cyrus Baguio, shot clock winding down. Roger Yap in his face. He pulls up. Not a problem. And that will push Alaska ahead 79-71. Baguio for 3. Yes, sir!
And Baguio is beginning to feel good. Baguio tries to get his scoring act together. Tenorio lets him fly. Big shots.
And goes all the way.
Alaska backcourt of LA Tenorio and Cyrus Baguio is that both of them in the 2-point region.
Terrorists and Showtime, our co-MVP of the finals.
But you know, with LA and Cyrus, you already get a lot of excitement, and then you add Bonbon Custodio to the mix, and that becomes a really potent mixture para kay Tim Cone. Meantime, here's Sonny Toss. We're more than halfway done dito sa fourth and final quarter. Devance against Gakko. Joe Devance, I mean, that's really the game plan. I mean, quite simply, the game plan is just pound the ball inside because BMEG does not have the front line to go toe-to-toe with Alaska's big men.
And it's been Joe Devance the entire time. He has 22 points now in the ball game. Started out the first really strong, started out the third again strong, and when they need the baskets, they go to Joe Devance. At ang mahirap dito kay Joe Devance, he can score inside, he can score outside, and he has such great ball handling skills that it's hard to defend him.
So 10 puntos na ang abante ng Alaska, 81-71. And James Yap creates, misses. Salvador, rebound. Putback is good.
You gotta feel good about that if you're BMEG. You have Jondan Salvador getting an offensive rebound. Yun, impact point yun pag makakuha ka ng offensive rebound.
6 points for Jondan Salvador. He's start of the game para sa BMEG Derby Ace. Meantime, Roger Yap watching Baguio closely. Now the Vans hurried that shot. Here's Roger Yap on the move. 81-73. Lamang pa rin ang Alaska as we approach the last 4 minutes of the ball game. Villanueva pulls up. Three-pointer on the way.
Big shot by Jonas Villanueva. 15 points now in the ball game. The two guys have played really well for BMEG. But again, itong BMEG needs to be able to sprint down on defense. Ilang beses sila nananakawan.
I mean, that's just the versatility of Joe Devance. He can beat you with the post-up. He can shoot from the outside. And he can run the floor.
Well, you can see Joe Devance now.
Oh, what a pass.
Looks like he cramped up, Miko.
Well, you did say that he was doing everything. So, kapagod din.
Saka nakakapagod yung inside, outside na ikaw yung nagdidribble.
So, Joe Devance needs help in getting back to the bench. So, we'll take this time out. We'll check on Joe Devance when we return. Alaska got a 2-0 record early in the All-Filipino Cup. We've talked about BMEG's disadvantage in height, and Sunny Toss taking full advantage with 18 rebounds.
If you're Sunny Toss, kailangan. Kasi alam mong underman.
Dapat lang.
Dapat lang.
Yeah.
Diba? Kung hindi ganyan yung numbers mo, you're not exercising your full potential.
Yep. You are doing a disservice to the advantage that you have over BMEG Derby Ace. Parang bigat ng kasalanan niya eh.
Well, he is the boss.
That's right. Villanueva, Aliado fires.
Well, Aliado has been saddled with fouls. Now back in the ball game with 8 points.
You know, this is just a 5-point game. For some reason, despite Devance's big game, despite Sunny Toss's rebounding edge, hindi nagpapaiwan ng BMEG Derby Ace. Alaska cannot seem to put BMEG Derby Ace away.
Well, itong BMEG, a lot of different players have been contributing para sa kanilang cause. You look at Jonas Villanueva with 15 points, PJ Simon with 16, Roger Yap with 8, James Yap with 12, Aliado with 8, and John Dan Salvador with 6.
Here's Salvador. Aliado fires away again. Rebound para kay Tenorio. Under 3 minutes remaining in this ball game. Toss. De La Cruz.
Just great ball movement for the Alaska Aces. Sunny Toss, even if he knew that he had the advantage against John Dan Salvador, turned around, found Tony De La Cruz for that easy 2.
Here's James Yap for 3. Rebound, Salvador. Salvador may have gotten away with the push on Sunny Toss, but you do what you have to do. Si Eli Tenorio tinawagan ng foul, his second personal.
Well, look at the fouls. Nico, BMEG, 26 fouls here, and Alaska only with 11. So Alaska been able to play defense without fouling.
That's a 3 for Roger Yap. I tell you, BMEG Derby Ace, they're still in this game. They're down by just 4 points. And Magu is just informed us that Joe Devance will not be back in this game. That's a big blow to Alaska's cause.
Well,
and right now, that's a swipe.
Well, he's been hitting a lot of big shots. So, sabi mo, amigo, he's got big loss. So let's see if LA Tenorio will now take over and Cyrus Baguio para dito sa Alaska Aces.
Here's Jonas Villanueva. Roger Yap. He fakes. He goes to Aliado. Aliado, the veteran, misses. And Sunny Toss now with 19 rebounds.
And making sure nobody else will get that rebound.
85-81. 4-point lead para sa Alaska. With 1 minute and 25 left in the payoff period. And here's Tenorio. Runner! No. And James Yap taps the ball over to Aliado. And here's Roger Yap in motion. Roger Yap on the move. All the way, no go. And that's 19 rebounds.